In the bustling town of Buzzville, Benny the Bee loved to bounce through blizzards. He wore bright blue boots and a big, bold hat to keep him warm and wacky. One day, Benny stumbled upon a hidden hive filled with jittery jelly beans. The jelly beans were having a jazzy party, complete with jumping jester hats and jaunty jazz music. Benny joined in on the fun, bouncing and boogieing with the jelly beans until the blizzard subsided.